Arrive in style with this Dodge 2015 Durango SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Bluetooth registered trademark streaming audio, GPS antenna input, radio, Uconnect 5.0, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual zone AC and rear air conditioning. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.